I first open the desired image, which I will remove the fence. Then I duplicate the layer. Then I hide the bottom layer. Then I select the remove tool from the toolbar. Make sure the sample all layer option is the menu bar is checked and the remove after each stroke is unchecked. Then slowly paint over the fence like I did. Be very careful when you paint over the object. After finishing all the paint, make sure that no paint is left out. And then click OK. Then wait for some time. Then see the magic. Wow, this is your result. If you like the video, please like and subscribe the channel to get more new videos. Thank you.